Hey sweeties, and welcome to my channel. So you can see how cute these bracelets are looking. I made these all myself, totally like the charms. I made it with the clay, so I will teach you all. Let's get started. For the first, we need to draw a kitty and this bow. Whatever you want to draw, you can whatever you want to make, you can just draw its sketch so that it is easy for you. So I made this kitty like this. Next, I will be using uh, another technique to make the kitty. For this I will be using the same sketch as well for the guidance. So this is how I will make it. This kitty turned out to be more good than the other one because we have to use this in the jewelry, so we need a thick kitty that will stay at its place, and it will be easy to make the hole inside as well. This is one mistake that I did. Pro tip number one. I will be giving you pro tips more in the video as well. So the pro tip is that you should first let the clay dry. It's play-doh, so once it will dry, then it will be easy for you to make a hole inside it. So don't do it on the wet play-doh because it will ruin the shape of your object as well. Next, after in making the flower, I will be now making the scenario. This is very easy to make and it turned out to be so cute. For the eyes, I'm using black beads. You just make a small hole and then pinch the bead inside it. You can see in the background my kitty was also ready. I forgot to capture the other process of it as well, but it was the same. I put the bead and I used the marker. So for the bow, I will also using the same technique. I will put the sketch up on it and I will do it. So for this is I am making a cat paw. For this I will be using the same tool I used earlier for the flower. If you don't have this, you can use a needle as well, and with the clay there are some tools as well that you can use that as well. I made a strawberry as well, but the video of this I will be sharing in my next video because I will be making a full set of strawberry like necklace, earrings and everything for kids that even don't have the piercing in their ear. So that I will share in the next video. So this is the final look, how cute they are looking. I also applied a glitter nail polish on it, and they were looking like the real one, like real charms that are not even made with the clay. So after making the charms, the next step is to make the bracelets out of it. For this we need beads. I will be using these beads that are glittery. If you don't have these, you can use the pearls as well. I had these, so I will use them because they will add an extra vibe to the bracelet. So the other things you need for these bracelets are lobster locks, jump rings and elastic. These are, I'm using 0.8 mm elastic. So for this, firstly we will be making the scenario bracelet. For this we will be putting one pearl or bead, whatever you say, one charm, any of your choice, whatever you want to put. So I will be putting the scenario in the middle because it's the showstopper. So after adding all these charms, I will be securing it with a lock. It's a jewelry lock that I will be showing you in the kitty bracelet because I forgot to record it in this one. So if your bracelet is moving upside down again and again because these charms are a bit heavy, you can secure it with the B7000 glue, and you have to make the bracelets according to your kid's hand. I measured it and it was perfect for her arm. So this is the final look of this one. And next we will be making the kitty one, and there I'll show you how I attach these locks as well. So this is the kitty bracelet. I will do it short because the process is same. We have to put all these charms inside and the kitty will be in the middle because it's the showstopper in this one. So next we will be putting the lock. Okay, that's the thing that I had to show you. These are the locks I will be using. You have to put it like this and you have to press it, and then you have to cut the extra part out from it, and it is good to go. You can put the jump ring and the lobster lock afterwards and it will be done. So guys, do subscribe my channel as well. It gives me a motivation to make more such videos as well. And guys, do like and comment as well. Tell me that how my videos are. Do you like them? Do you like my ideas? I put a lot of efforts in them, so your little gesture can just add a smile on my face and can give me a motivation to do more such video things for you people, to teach you. To I also learn by making, and I tell you as well. So guys, there's a lot of scope for kids bracelets and kids jewelry as well. You can also start your business as well by making all these things. And here I will teach you, if you don't have the lock, you can just put the jump ring inside and just tie 3 to 4 knots, and you are good to go. The bracelet will not come off if the knots, just do tighten the knots properly so that it doesn't fall off. But applying a lock is a better option. If you are just doing with, like, this was not as pretty as the ones I did earlier, so I just tied a knot and it was good to go. I will also make the bunny one as well, and this is the final look of all these bracelets. How pretty they are looking. Like, if you sell them now, I'm telling you that kids are gonna love these. Like, I couldn't find such type of bracelets anywhere, not on Temu as well. So if you're gonna make it and sell it, you will be earning a lot of money with it. And guys, do subscribe and do give me a thumbs up if you like my video. So bye bye.